guys, welcome to Be Did What. To all my OG subscribers, welcome back. To all my new subscribers, welcome. So today I'm here with a fashion with B, of course, because it's Saturday, and it's based on coats. So based on coats and jackets. So I've picked up a variety of coats and jackets over the last couple of weeks, from, I would say, November, no, probably about October onwards. I started collecting jackets. It's one of my things. I've got probably too many coats and jackets, but every winter I just have to kind of get another one, and this year I've kind of gone crazy. I think I've picked up like 5 or 6, so I thought I'd just share them with you because most of them are currently in the sale and they're reasonably priced and they'll be good for season after season. So I know we're kind of like halfway through the winter season, but definitely you can get your hands on these, even if you can wear them for next season, then it's well worth it. So before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe now, and then once you've done that, let's get into the video now. Okay, so the first jacket that I've got to share with you is this black and yellow shearling jacket. It's by Story of Lola. It's a really lovely brand. They do a lot of lovely stuff, lovely jackets on Story of Lola. And this I've kind of just immediately drawn to. It was actually on the ASOS website. I actually purchased it from the ASOS website. I did get it just before the ASOS, they used to do like a point system. I just got it before it ended, so that was a bargain. So I got an extra discount off the price. I think I got this one for £48, so it's a bit more of a price, but it's so worth it. It's so warm. It's got kind of this kind of crop detail, you can see here, and the yellow kind of creates a bit of boldness. It's also got a hood, which is good if it rains or anything like that, to keep it protected, or if it's too cold you can put it on as well. And I would just pair this basically with a pair of black jeans or leggings and some boots. So I'll show you in a cutaway how it looks on. Okay, so moving on to the next coat slash jacket. I picked up this crop, they call it a fleece crop, on the BOOHOO website. So this is from BOOHOO. It's just basically this crop jacket. It's got this pull detail here, so you can pull it in if you want it to kind of be a bit more fitted down there. I personally prefer just to leave it as it is because it's more flattering on me when it's open, and just how it is. And then it's got this high funnel neck kind of feature as well. This is such a popular coat because every time I try and go back on to get one, it's sold out. I got it when it first released, and it retails at, I think it retails at £40, and I got it on sale for I think £28. I got it off for when it went on sale, and that was when it first came out. So I'm really happy that I picked this up because it's definitely something that I would wear season after season. So that's that. Let's see how it looks on. Okay, so the next coat is a bit out there for me. It's not one of my normal kind of go-to patterns, you know, but I absolutely am 100% happy that I bought it because it's so soft. So it's this leopard print jacket. It's very much like the teddy bear jackets that are out all over the place, but this one is in leopard, and it's just so soft. It's just like butter when you touch it. It's got the normal big lapel feature detail, and then you've got your buttons that just 2 buttons that kind of just do up in the front. So it's 4 buttons, or was it 2? It's 4 buttons, sorry, excuse me. So it's one of those double breasted coats, so you just kind of do it up like that. this is from Naked Wardrobe. I actually got this in their Black Friday sale. The original retail price I believe was £65. I probably got this one for about 40 something, but I'll put the prices up anyway on screen. You'll probably see it here now. But I just love it, and it's just like a nice statement piece that I would just kind of keep in my wardrobe and wear year after year. I think it would just look nice to kind of add a bit of pop to your outfit. So let's have a look. Right, so I jumped on the teddy bear bandwagon myself. Sorry, I'm just fixing this hair. I'm just getting used to like all the different ways that you can kind of style this hair, and I've actually already started cutting into it just to make it look a bit more flattering on me. But anyway, as I was saying, going back to the coats. Teddy bear, I've jumped onto the bandwagon, and this one is actually, I didn't actually purchase this one myself. My mum actually purchased it for me, which is really lovely of her. She purchased it in the Black Friday sale, and it's from Forever 21. According to this, original retail price was £50 for this coat. And we got it for the bargain price, I believe, of £17, which is an absolute bargain. So it's just this nice kind of, I would say it's a cognac kind of colour for teddy bear coat with a zip detail, and also a nice and big hood to keep you protected when it's windy outside. I would definitely pair this with some blue jeans and maybe some brown boots of this colour. I do have boots this colour as well, and I think it's just a lovely piece to wear casually during winter. So let's have a look. Okay, so the second to last coat, I promise, and then that's it. This one is another teddy bear coat. I fell in love with this one as soon as I saw it. So it's from Naked Fashion. It's their big collar teddy bear coat. These coats are so warm. I've got the black one as well to this that I wear basically nearly every day to work, and I always have to take it off when I get on the train because it gets too hot. This retails at £60 I believe, but I actually got it in the Black Friday sale and it came down to about £42, which is really good. I think, especially because of the quality of this item, which is so good, and it's also got this kind of detail at the back here, which I just love. It just kind of adds a different element to it all. With the other one, as with the other one, it's double-breasted, and I just think it will just look good if you want to wear it on an everyday basis or even casually with jeans again. So let's have a look. And I said I've got the same coat, which is the last one that you're going to see in this video, in black. It's the black version to the oatmeal teddy bear coat. This is the black one that I wear probably every day. It's just so good. It's just so warm. I can't believe that these retail at only £60 really. I would think more like going towards the 180 kind of pounds. They definitely rival the Maxima Mara version, and as you can see, these got these popper details, so they don't have buttons, but they've got poppers, and it just folds over to form a double-breasted coat. And I'll just basically, as I said, I'll wear it to work, but I would always also wear it casually. So let's have a look and see how that looks. And that's it. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's quite a short one, but I did just want to show you basically what coats I've been wearing and how I kind of wear them basically. If you liked this video, please remember to like below. Also leave me a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, of course. So guys, have a lovely Saturday, be safe, enjoy yourself, and I will see you in the next video.